Well, that little segment there that I just showed you probably made my mother cry. What's going on, guys? Jason here, ADF. Just want to kind of talk about kids a little bit today. You know, a lot of you guys know I have three beautiful daughters here at home. Two of them are old enough to go fishing and stuff like that. My youngest is only two, so she comes out, but she really doesn't do anything at all. Uh, my 6-year-old loves to go fishing with me. My 8-year-old, she always wants to go, but then as soon as we get there, it kind of leaves her head and she doesn't really want to do it anymore. All right, the plane is gone. So, anyway, I don't ever force her to go fishing. I don't tell her she has to go. I always ask if they want to go with. And so I decided to make things a little bit more fun. You guys all know that siblings love competing with each other, right? So I decided to throw something in the mix that's going to make it more fun for the both of them. What I did was I took this broken crankbait. I took this decorative thing here. It's like a goblet deal that we had sitting in the garage. I spray painted it and I glued a couple crankbaits. One of them just lost its bill. I glued a bobber on there and I glued a plastic worm on there. Now this is going to be their trophy. It's not meant in a way to say that one child is better than the other. Don't get me wrong on that right off the bat. I know a lot of you are going to be thinking that that's not how it is. Here's what we do. Anytime both of the girls go with me, we just have a little friendly little contest. And I say, okay, whichever one of you catches the biggest fish today, you will get the trophy. The trophy will be in their bedroom. They share a bedroom, and whoever catches the biggest fish for that day, I always take pictures of them. They're going to get their picture thrown right in here. That way, you know, when they have friends over, when they have family over, they can pull this out and say, hey, guess what? I have the trophy right now. And so far, they love the idea. You know, they helped me pick out the stuff to glue on there from my old collection. I really wish that bill wouldn't have broken off because that was a really cool crankbait. But doesn't matter because this is all meant for fun. You know, they love this idea of doing this. They're having a lot of fun with it. My 8-year-old is definitely more willing to go fishing now because of this, and it's just one of those things that you guys can all do and be creative with your kids. Let your kids do it, basically. Let your kids, you know, my kids decided what color to paint it. They picked out all the lures to put on it and everything. You know, just throw something together like this, whether it's something like this or a vase or even an empty glass bottle. You know, they will appreciate anything that you do for them because we all need to get kids more involved in everything outdoors rather than just sitting at home on their tablets or their phones or their video games being antisocial. It's not just fishing, you know, take them hunting. My 6-year-old told me last week she wants to try going bow hunting sometimes. She wants a bow and arrow because we were watching a few hunting shows, you know. Anything outside, take your kids out and do it with them. Don't just send them out on their own. I know it's hard, we're all busy and we got busy schedules, but you can always find time for your kids. You have to. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys an insight to this. If you guys have any of these that you might do yourself, if you guys do it after this video, leave a comment down below and maybe shoot us over a picture or something, see what you guys came up with. But I thought it was a really cool idea. My kids love it, so I just wanted to show all of you. Maybe we can get a few more kids out there fishing. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time.